A new study reveals that Indians consume more than double the recommended amount of salt and put themselves at increased risk of cardiovascular disease and early death. Did you know that average salt intake in India is about 11 grams per day? As per a recent survey, salt consumption has increased significantly during COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization recommends 5 grams of salt intake per day. Here are different means of keeping salt consumptions under 5 grams. While cooking, avoid adding salt in rice, chapati flour, pasta, noodles, etc. Refrain from adding salt into salad. Keep the salt shaker away. While eating at home, avoid consumptions of pickles, papad, canned foods, sauces, ketchup and packaged food. While eating outside, avoid bread, biscuits, bakery items, cheese, butter, sandwiches, pizza and burgers. Practice smart shopping. Do read the nutrition label on packaging food when buying food items. Here's how you can calculate how much salt you are consuming. 1 serving pickle, 1 gram salt. 1 serving papad, 1 gram salt. 1 serving canned food, 1 gram salt. 1 serving soy sauce, 3 grams salt. 1 serving tomato ketchup, 0.3 grams salt. 1 serving packaged noodles, 2.2 grams salt. 1 bread, 100 to 230 milligrams of salt. 1 biscuit, 0.6 grams of salt. 1 sliced cheese, 40 grams of salt. 1 serving of butter, 0.3 gram of salt. 1 sandwich, 1.9 gram of salt. Remember to choose food which contains less than 1.5 gram of salt or 0.6 gram salt per 100 grams. We wish you a healthy and happy life.